Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 21st of July 2024. I'll be going over week 30's results for the S&P and the SPY front testing strategy based on the day's open and previous day close. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the 12th of July, we had a buy signal where we made a profit of $4,361.28 or 0.42%, bringing our cumulative return up to 3.876%. And our alpha actually went down further to minus 12.532%. Sorry, wrong date. The actual week started on the 15th. Sorry about that. The buy signal gave us, if the first day of the week was a loss of $920 or 0.09%, so our portfolio return went down to 3.785%, and our alpha went further down to minus 12.898%. 16th, we had a profit of $3,655.63 or a 0.351% profit, bringing our cumulative portfolio return up to 4.136%, and our alpha further down to minus 13.14%. On the 17th, we had a sell signal with a profit of $3,452.16 or a 0.33% profit, bringing our cumulative return up to 4.466% and our alpha down to minus 11.408%. Next, we had a buy signal where we made a loss of $10,904.4 or 1.047%, which bring our cumulative return down to 3.419% and alpha up to minus 11.686%. Last day of the week, we made a profit of $6,393.52 or 0.617%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return to 4.037%, which is higher than what we started the week with. And our alpha went down to, technically went up to minus 10.405%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.